Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of a power bank energy investment website. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can make this kind of site. I will give you the complete overview of this website and its admin panel. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. You can contact us and buy this amazing script from us. And if you need the complete website, just contact us and we will build this complete website end to end for you, where you don't have to do nothing. We will completely do each and everything. And we also make the app of websites, so you can contact us for app and web. Now viewers, let's start this video. First of all, here you can see this is a login page. Now if you don't have an account, you must have to go to register page, and you have to register on this page by filling these simple details. Now I have already created the account, so I will just enter my details in order to log in. Here you have to enter your password, and after entering these details you have to click on login. Here you can see that we have successfully logged into our website. So you can see the announcement over here. You can change it from admin panel. Here you can look at its amazing view of this energy investment website. Here on the top of the website you can see account balance, total deposits. Here you can see a line over here that you can insert from admin panel, whatever text you want to insert. Here you can change the banner, whatever banner you want, you can change it. Here you can see some other option like deposit, withdraw, account, guide option. So if you want to deposit money, user have to deposit money, you can create deposit gateways from admin panel. Here user have to go to deposit method. So currently there is one payment gateway UPI, but you can create as many as gateways from admin panel. You can enable them or disable them. Now if you have to recharge amount, you can go to deposit, and here you can pay with any of the UPI payment you want, and you have to click on pay now to pay after payment, and user will approve your payment. So here is a withdrawal option. So you can see different, here you have to provide your withdrawal details like IFSC code, your amount, bank name, account number, and request will be sent to the admin of website, and admin will approve your withdrawal. Here you can view all your account details, so you have to provide all your account details in this section. And here is guide section, so you can read about the website. Here you can see some other things like latest transactions on the website over here. Now here are some other options as well, like agent option. So you can see all your commissions, team commission, like it's referral section. So you can see all your referral earning and how much people you have referred in different levels. You can see your referral link over here, and you can copy this from here. Now here you can see your team investments in this section. Now let's go to products, and here you can see different energy investment plans over here, and you can invest in any of the plan you want. Just click on invest, it will show you the details, and you can easily invest in these plans. Viewers, now here let's go to investing, and here you can see all your investment like daily income and investment quantity. Here let's go to mine, and here you can see different user panel, like you can see your bills. Here you can see your referral ID, you can see your number, total assets, and total deposits, total withdrawal, and you can see all other like deposit option, withdrawal option, password, and account options. Viewers, if you want to buy this script, just contact us. We will also build the APKs of website. So if you need the APK as well, we will build it for you. And here you can see all your account details like account history, guide, about us section, download app, and task section. So these are all the details linked to the user panel of website. Viewers, let me tell you that you can completely change each and everything from admin panel. And if you buy from us, we will completely provide you our support as well, so you don't need to worry about anything. Now let's go to our admin panel and let's see how we can control this website. But before moving towards that, here you can see that script is hosted on my own domain, demo5.scriptsmasher.com. you can see over here. So I have hosted it on my own domain to give you the demo of website, so you don't need to worry about the trust issues. So you can completely trust us, and we will build what you want. If you need any other type of design as well, we have many designs available in investment websites, hype and websites. All type of designs are available. You can contact us for more details. So now let's go to admin and let's see how it will works. So viewers, here you can see that I am on the admin login page of that website. Now viewers, I will show you how we can log into admin panel and how we can control this website from admin panel. So viewers, this script is very easy to install. You can just install it in just 4 to 5 minutes. You just need a domain and a hosting. And if you buy from us, I will completely provide you a guide and I will also help you with that. So here I will enter my admin email, and now here I have to enter the admin password. Now after entering these details, just click on login, and it will log you into your admin panel of this website. So viewers, this is the amazing admin panel of your website. So let me tell you about the features of this admin panel. First of all, you can see the users, you can see total purchases, total check-ins, activity bonuses, check-in bonuses, approved bonuses, pending withdrawal, deposits, each and everything you can see right here in this section. So you don't need to worry about anything. So it has very amazing dashboard. You can see inbox, you can edit your profile, admin can change its password as well. And viewers, now if you want to change the language, you can change that as well from here. So from bonus codes, you can insert different bonuses and codes, and you can give bonuses to user, like adding amount to the user account or subtracting amount from user account. It completely depends on you. Viewers, here if you want to create the plan on the website, you can easily create the plan. Whatever plan you want to create, you can create it from here. Now here in this section, you can see many existing plans on your website that are here. Now if you want to edit them or delete them, you can do that from here. So I'm deleting it. So you can delete this plan like this. If you want to edit this, you can also edit the plans as well like this. So you can edit them. Now viewers, if you want to create a new plan on your website, you have to go to add new item, and from here you have to fill your package name, title, upload the photo of plan. Here you have to enter the price, validity, commission on the plan, and you can easily create a new plan on your website. So now here you can see all your rebate, commission, etc. You can set them from here for interest or team levels from here. So this is manage customers, so you can manage all the customers that are on your website. You can see all your existing customers over here. Now viewers, if you want to send them bonuses, you can do it from here. Enter bonus code and you can send them bonus. You can see their details, you can block them from here, or you can unblock them, or you can log in as a customer. So you can log in their accounts as well, and you can view all their details. And you can view all those customers. You can ban them and unban them as well. So this is the payment section. So when user will request a deposit, the deposit request will be appeared right here in this section. So you can see all the requests in pending deposits, so you can view them right here in this section. So here you can see that. Now if you want to approve them, you can easily approve them as well from here. So you can see deposit is approved. Now this amount has been added to the user account. So it's very simple to approve or reject any deposits. So you can approve or reject them from here. So easily you can approve or reject them. It completely depends on you. And you can download their copies as well in different formats from here. Now here you can see all approved payments in this section. So the payment that you will approve, that will be appeared right here. That record will be appeared right here. Here you can see the record of rejected payments. So you can see all record of rejected payments in this section. Here is withdrawal section. So when user will request a withdraw, the request will be appeared right here, and here you can approve it or reject it. So here it depends on you. You can approve withdraw or you can reject the withdrawal of user. So here I have approved the withdraw. Now this amount will be deducted from user account. So here you can see all approved withdrawal requests in this section. So you can see them over here. And here are all rejected withdrawal requests. So currently there is no rejected withdrawal request, so it is showing nothing. So this is the setting option. So you can set different withdrawal methods like from here. So you can set up deposit methods or withdrawal methods from here. Now if you want to create your own new deposit method, you can fill the name, you can insert the picture, and you can easily create the deposit method from here. Here is a setting option. So you can set up minimum deposit, withdrawal charges, minimum withdrawal, maximum withdrawal switches. So you can turn it on off from here. So you can turn off withdrawals. So you can view some other like Telegram groups, live chats. You can turn them on off from here. It completely depends on you. So viewers, this is all about the website. And if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. And if you need anything related to hype sites or any type of website, just contact us and we will build what you want. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.